Hello, and welcome. Today, we embark on a journey into the realm of the bizarre and brilliant. 20 mind-blowing facts about 20 remarkable animals. Each one challenges our understanding of life, showcasing evolution's wildest solutions. Prepare to be amazed by the ingenuity and resilience of the animal kingdom. Now let our exploration begin. Our journey begins in the rivers of eastern Australia, home to the platypus, a mammal that lays eggs. This living bridge to the ancient past blurs the lines between mammal, bird and reptile, reminding us that nature rarely fits our neat categories. Deep in Lake Xochimilco, the axolotl defies aging and injury. It can regrow lost limbs, organs, even parts of its brain, perfectly, without scarring. Scientists study this salamander for clues to perfect healing. The axolotl is a living blueprint for regeneration. Meet the mantis shrimp, a coral reef predator with a punch as fast as a bullet. Its club strikes so quickly it creates a shockwave and a flash of light, smashing prey and even shattering glass. With vision beyond our imagination, it's one of the ocean's most formidable hunters. The mantis shrimp is a marvel of speed and power. The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, can reverse its life cycle. When threatened, it reverts to its earliest stage, starting life anew, potentially forever. It's not immune to predators, but it can reset its biological clock. This tiny creature rewrites the rules of life and death. The echidna, often called the spiny anteater, is one of the world's most unusual mammals. Unlike most mammals, the echidna lays eggs, a trait it shares only with the platypus. Its body is covered in sharp spines for protection, and it also has a soft pouch on its belly, where it cares for its young. This remarkable creature is a living link to ancient evolutionary history. To find food, the echidna uses its keen sense of smell to locate ants and termites hidden beneath logs and soil. It then extends its long, sticky tongue, sometimes up to 18 centimeters, to lap up its prey with impressive speed and precision. This specialized tongue is perfectly adapted for catching insects in tight spaces, making the echidna a master forager. After laying a single leathery egg, the mother echidna gently places it into her pouch. About 10 days later, a tiny, helpless baby called a puggle hatches. The puggle remains safely tucked in the pouch, feeding on its mother's milk, and growing stronger each day. As the puggle develops, it begins to grow its own protective spines. When these spines become too sharp for the mother to carry, she moves the young echidna to a specially prepared burrow. There, the puggle continues to grow, hidden away from predators and the harsh elements of the outside world. The echidna is a true evolutionary enigma, blending traits from reptiles, birds, and mammals. Its unique combination of egg-laying, spines, and a pouch sets it apart from almost every other animal on Earth. Observing the echidna is like peering back in time to a distant era of natural history. Nature's creativity knows no bounds, and the echidna stands as a testament to the endless variety and wonder found in the animal kingdom. In Australia's forests, the superb lyrebird is a master mimic. It can imitate dozens of bird calls, and even chainsaws, car alarms, and camera shutters. This vocal virtuoso uses mimicry to attract mates and outshine rivals. The lyrebird's syrinx is the most complex of any songbird, making it nature's ultimate impersonator. Deep in the icy waters of the Arctic, a mysterious creature glides beneath the surface. The narwhal, often called the unicorn of the sea. Its most striking feature is the long spiraled tusk that juts from its head, resembling the horn of a mythical beast. But this isn't just any horn, it's actually an elongated tooth, and in some males, it can grow up to 10 feet long, twisting gracefully through the frigid water. This remarkable tusk is packed with millions of nerve endings, making it far more than a simple ornament. Scientists believe it acts as a highly sensitive environmental sensor, allowing the narwhal to gather information about its surroundings in ways we are only beginning to understand. The tusk can detect subtle changes in water temperature, pressure, and salinity, helping the narwhal navigate the ever-shifting Arctic seas. Some researchers even think it may play a role in finding prey beneath the ice or in social interactions with other narwhals. Over millions of years, evolution has shaped the narwhal's tusk into a tool of extraordinary complexity and beauty. It's a living example of nature's creativity, perfectly adapted to the harsh and mysterious world of the Arctic. The unicorn of the sea is not just a legend, it's a real animal, more fascinating and enigmatic than any story, thriving in one of the planet's most extreme environments. The wombat, a burrowing marsupial, produces cube-shaped droppings. This unique shape prevents the droppings from rolling away, helping mark territory. The cubes are sculpted by the elasticity of the wombat's intestines. It's a practical, if unusual, solution to communication in the wild. The pangolin is the only mammal covered in protective keratin scales. When threatened, it rolls into an armored ball, safe from most predators. Sadly, its scales make it a target for illegal trafficking, pushing it toward extinction. The pangolin's story is a stark reminder of nature's fragility. Even the best armor can't protect against humans. The bombardier beetle defends itself with a boiling, caustic chemical spray. It mixes chemicals in its abdomen, triggering an explosive reaction that fires a hot, noxious jet at attackers. The beetle can aim this spray with precision, deterring predators. It's a tiny insect with a built-in chemical cannon. The tardigrade, or water bear, survives extremes that would kill almost anything else. It enters a state called cryptobiosis, suspending its metabolism for decades. In this form, it endures freezing, boiling, radiation, even the vacuum of space. The tardigrade is the ultimate survivor, pushing the limits of life. The pistol shrimp snaps its claw so fast it creates a bubble bullet. The collapsing bubble generates a shockwave and heat nearly as hot as the sun's surface, stunning prey. Thousands snapping together create a crackling sound that can disrupt sonar. The pistol shrimp is a tiny, but mighty force in the ocean. The saiga antelope's oversized, flexible nose filters dust in summer and warms air in winter. This adaptation helps it survive the harsh steppes of Central Asia. The nose even inflates during mating season for display. The saiga's strange appearance is a perfect solution to life at the extremes. The leafy sea dragon is a master of disguise, blending perfectly with seaweed. Its leaf-like appendages are for camouflage, not movement. It drifts unseen, protected from predators as it hunts tiny crustaceans. The leafy sea dragon is a living illusion in the kelp forests. The okapi, with zebra-like stripes, is actually the giraffe's only living relative. Its stripes provide camouflage in the dappled light of the Congo rainforest. With a long tongue and rotating ears, it's perfectly adapted to its secretive life. The okapi is a hidden gem of the African forest. The blue dragon sea slug floats upside down, stealing stinging cells from its prey. The Portuguese man of war. It stores these stingers in its own body, creating a defense more potent than its prey's. This beautiful drifter is both a thief and a warrior. The blue dragon turns danger into its own weapon. The eye of Madagascar uses its long skeletal middle finger to tap on wood, listening for insect larvae. Once it hears a hollow, it gnaws a hole and fishes out grubs with its flexible finger. Its hand is a built-in toolkit, hammer, scanner, and hook. The eye is evolution's answer to hidden treasure hunting. The archerfish shoots jets of water to knock insects off branches above the water. It compensates for light refraction, learning to aim with remarkable accuracy. Young archerfish practice until they become expert marksmen. It's a true sharpshooter of the aquatic world. Deep in the ancient forests of New Zealand, there lives a truly remarkable bird, the kakapo. This unique parrot holds several extraordinary records. It is the world's heaviest parrot, and also the longest living, with some individuals reaching over 90 years of age. But perhaps its most unusual trait is that it cannot fly. Instead, the kakapo has evolved powerful legs, perfectly adapted for hiking across the forest floor, and even climbing trees in search of food or safety. The kakapo's mossy green feathers provide excellent camouflage, helping it blend seamlessly into its leafy surroundings and avoid predators. Sadly, the arrival of humans and introduced animals pushed this gentle giant to the brink of extinction. Today, fewer than 250 kakapos remain, making it one of the rarest birds on Earth. Dedicated conservationists work tirelessly to protect every individual, monitoring nests and providing food. During breeding season, males create deep, booming calls that echo through the night, hoping to attract a mate in a fascinating and elaborate ritual. The kakapo's story is one of resilience and hope, a living treasure, slowly walking back from the edge of extinction. thanks to human care and determination. Madagascar's fossa is a sleek predator, blending traits of cats and mongooses. Its flexible ankles let it descend trees head first, hunting lemurs with agility and speed. The fossa's long tail aids balance as it leaps through the canopy. It's a prime example of convergent evolution, filling the island's top predator niche. The fossa is the undisputed king of Madagascar's forests. Our journey through 20 extraordinary animals ends here. Each adaptation is a testament to evolution's creativity and the wonders of life. Which fact amazed you most? Share your favorite in the comments. If you enjoyed this adventure, like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.